Lesson 81 is on reducing fractions, okay? And y'all know how on the video the other day, I taught y'all how a pizza can be broken up into different slices. Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. And if we filled in half of this, it would be 4 out of 8. Okay? Now, in order to reduce, you have to choose a number that will go into both of these, the same number. So, can y'all think of a number that will go into both 4 and 8?
2 would.
2 would, okay? And anybody else think of another number?
1/2. 4.
No, 4 would. Okay, so whenever you're trying to choose what number will go both into this and this, what same number, it's better to choose larger numbers.
Oh, yeah.
Because if you choose larger numbers, you only have to usually do one step.
It would be 1/2.
Yes, it's going to be 1/2. So watch what happens. If I divide it by 2, which is what you said first, then I end up getting 2/4. Does everybody see that? If I divided both of these numbers by 2, I end up getting 2/4. But is that reduced all the way? No. So now you have to say what number will go both into 2 and 4. What do you think?
1.
You can't choose one.
Oh, 2.
That's 2. Okay? So then let's divide by 2. Divide by 2.
I hate this.
And we end up getting 1/2, right? Okay, now, so we ended up taking 2 steps. That was our first step, and this is our second step, in order to get our final answer, right? Now watch this. What if I'd have done 4/8, and instead of choosing 2, which was a small number, I'm going to choose the largest number I can think of that will go into both 4 and 8. So I'm going to choose 4. Okay? So I'm going to divide by 4, and what do I get? 1/2. Isn't that cool? So this one only took us 1 step rather than 2 because I chose a larger number. So hopefully this is just review. Let's do one more to see how y'all do. Okay? Whoops. Huh. No.
That did not take very long.
Okay, so do this problem on your paper. It says 1/8 plus 5/8. Okay? You're going to have to kind of do two different answers.
Do we reduce too?
You're going to have to reduce. So you're first going to get the answer, and then you're going to reduce.
Okay.
Okay, so go on and try that one.
Got it.
Got it? Yes, very good. Way to go, okay? You got to reduce it.
What is the
Oh, uh-oh. What's wrong with this? When you have common denominators, when you're adding or subtracting, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to, you don't add the denominators.
Minus them?
Nope. It'd be like this.
Oh, you leave them same.
Yep, remember that? Because remember, this would be like 1/8, and this would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I add all these up together, I'd get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. If I put them all into one pie, all these pieces that are colored. You see what I'm saying? Now you're going to have to reduce that. Okay, you should have gotten the answer. Let me see what you got. Almost done. You're almost done. What is 8 divided by 2? You did it right.
4?
Yes, very good. You got it. Okay, so what you should have done on this answer is, because we have common denominators, am I supposed to add them? No. We have common denominators, they stay the same, so you just leave it as 8 right here. Okay, but you do add the numerators, right? 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay? Now, who remembers how to reduce this? Sarah Kate?
After this, I have a question.
You do? Okay.
I do remember. Can I get a tissue?
Yes, you may.
I remember how to reduce it.
If they are not the same denominators, we
You have to come up with the same denominator. But I don't think y'all have learned that yet, have you?
Can
No.
I have a tissue?
So,
I've
But if
learned
there's a
it in
different,
3rd grade,
if
but I
there's different
forget it.
denominators, do you add them?
no.
I
You'll
learned-
learn what to do with that later.
Yeah, I
okay?
learned-
But right now, the denominators are the same, so all you ever do when you're adding or subtracting fractions is add your numerators. You'll learn what to do with this if they're different later on. Okay?
My back with my pencil.
So our answer is 6/8 right now. Okay? And then you think of a number that will go into both 6 and 8. What will go into both 6 and
2.
8? 2 will. Very good. There wasn't a bigger number than 2, so we had to go with 2. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sometimes you can choose
3/4.
larger numbers. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's our final answer.
My question is, rewrite, it's on the lesson practice, it's with F, G, and H on the next page, and it's
look at it.
rewrite each mixed number with a reduced fraction. And
Okay.
the one that I'm confused on, well, I'm confused on all of them, but the first one's 1 and 3/9.
Okay. 1 and 3/9. I really wish what's his name was in here. Garrett. Okay, no worries. Whenever you see a mixed number, okay, you do not have to worry about the whole number.
Okay.
Okay? So just pretend like there's not even a whole number there. Okay? How would I reduce 3/9? What number will go
Oh, we
into
have
both?
to reduce.
Oh! Yeah?
3.
Yes, 3. So I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3, and I end up getting 1/3, right? Okay?
so all we
But
do is
now,
Oh.
but now remember, we still have the 1,
So we just
so it's 1 and 1/3. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, Garrett, did you see what I just did?
No, I just.
Okay, so watch what I do. We're going to do, we'll do G. Okay, this is G. And it says 2 and 6/9. Now, what it tells me to do is rewrite each mixed numbers with a reduced fraction. Okay? You cannot reduce a whole number. A whole number is whole.
Yeah.
There's nothing
I
to do
thought
with
it
it.
meant like draw out circles.
Oh, I
and
see.
stuff.
No. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you get a mixed number and they tell you to reduce it, you're going to cover up this for just a minute. And then you're going to say, how do I reduce this? So what number will go into both 6 and 9?
3.
3. So I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3, okay? And so 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3, okay? So we're done with this part. It has changed to that, okay? But we still have that whole number 2. So the final answer is 2 and 2/3. You still have to keep this.
Okay.
Got it? Just cover it up for a minute so it doesn't confuse you. Okay? That's lesson 81.